Hi guys, so today's a rainy day. I might just go out for a little bit just to get a few things at the shop, but other than that I'm probably just gonna chill at home, make some Christmas presents or DIY stuff. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but yeah, just getting ready to go out now. Sorry about the background noise again. So I've got quite a few things to do today that I want to do. I want to write on my diary because I haven't written on since 24th of November, so I have to catch up all those days. And then I need to like clean those things because I've got some candles that I want to put on Christmas. I thought it would be looking really cute. These are like nasty, so I have to clean those. I want to do face mask, I want to do face scrub, I want to do my nails, and also I forgot to show, but yesterday I got some candles, some green candles, and I've got a couple of gin bottles, this one and that one. As you can see, that is my favourite gin. But yeah, I just thought it looked cute. Oh, also, I want to do some more paintings because I've got those ones here. There. Oops. But I want to do more paintings, more like Christmas themed. So I was thinking more like, I don't know, like holly and like mistletoe and maybe some Christmas trees. I don't know, I don't really know yet, but I want to do this as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to do everything on that list today, but I'll try to make the most of it. Ooh, and also I want to make some salt dough ornaments. So yeah, it's quite busy, but at least I'm not bored. So yeah, let's start with this. Weather is miserable. I am going to do some, whatchamacallit, some salt dough ornaments for Christmas, and yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I've just finished to do the salt dough shapes. Now they're baking in the oven and they need to bake for about a couple of hours. So while this is baking, I'm gonna clean the candle holders. Exciting. The salt dough smells so good though, because there is like cinnamon and ginger and nutmeg and cloves, so it just smells like Christmas in the house, which is so nice. Okay, so I've done this one, which is now very shiny and yellow and sparkly. This is how it looked earlier. It's mad. This is how it looked earlier, like that colour. This is how it looks now. I mean, it's night and day. I love doing that. Okay, I quit for this one. It's just too annoying. I might just get some vinegar and just dip it in there. But I've done the bottom, which is fine. But oh gosh, the top is just so annoying with all those irregularities. Anyway, so here are the Christmas ornaments, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna finish it and then make some kind of decorations for the house. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it was pretty uneventful, but what can you do? It's raining outside and I've got quite a few things to do at home. So yeah, there might be a few videos like that. I don't know if you guys would still be interested in those videos, or if you want to see me more, like see more of the DIYs that I do, I don't know. But please let me know, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Yeah, hope you guys stay safe and see you next time.